Chandai, a 38-year-old private company employee in Phnom Penh, capital of Cambodia, has decided to switch to using a China-made electric scooter from his costly gasoline motorcycle.
ពេលដែលខ្ញុំជិះម៉ូតូធម្មតាហ្នឹងគឺខ្ញុំចំណាយទៅលើសាំងក្នុងមួយថ្ងៃរហូតទៅអស់$5ទៅឯណោះអញ្ចឹងណាបាទហើយបើខ្ញុំគិតថាបើសិនជាខ្ញុំជិះម៉ូតូអគ្គិសនីហ្នឹងវិញវាសេវអញ្ចឹងខ្ញុំអាចចំណាយក្នុងការសាកភ្លើងហ្នឹងអស់តែ2ទៅ3000លុយខ្មែរយើងទេការរចនាម៉ូដរបស់គាត់ហ្នឹងគឺស្អាតបានន័យថារបស់ក្រុមហ៊ុនយ៉ាឌីហ្នឹងឃើញស្អាតហើយប្លែកពីគេបាទហើយភាពរឹងមាំហើយនឹងល្បឿនរបស់ជិះហ្នឹងក៏វាសមរម្យនឹងការយើងជិះអញ្ចឹងណា
Yadi is a major producer of electric two-wheel vehicles in the world, including electric motorcycles, electric mopeds, electric bicycles and electric kick scooters. To date, Yadi has sold products to 60 million users in over 100 countries and regions and has a network of more than 3,000 distributors and over 40,000 retailers worldwide.
Some model per charge can run up to 70 kilometers and some model can run up to 200 kilometers. Our made in China EV Yadi brand are high quality, energy saving and environmental protection.
I can see the e-bike is coming to popular too in this market. It's very good for the Cambodian people to change their motorcycle to e-bike. This also can save a lot of money for the customer.
Cambodia's government has encouraged people to use electric vehicles and electric motorcycles because they are eco-friendly and more economical.